5 years of good luck. There is one on the other side of the ridge as well. So keep on waving. Hopefully we'll get away this side as well. That side of the bridge is 5 years of bad luck. It was the only bridge to span the River Thames that was completed on time and under budget. So what a fantastic job the ladies of London done. So well done to the girls, well done. Advertisements along the banks of the river, it was illegal. And that's because the River Thames is deemed a royal highway. Behind the trees, the white circular building became too heavy, the top half was taken down. Those support columns were left in place, fear of it disturbing the foundations of the other two bridges. Ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway now to each one of those guns are capable of firing a £102 shell. 14 land fires. Tower of London has been a lot of different things in its time, but most famously known for its imprisonment, torture and execution. With the captain's commentary bucket, and that is our little tip bucket.